We live a life where you don't need to go on vacation, where you can just do the things that you enjoy at home.
A lot of people search for these things, and we have it right here. Even if that's just sitting on the porch and enjoying nature, that's what it is. My name is Jared.
My name is Karen.
And home to us is our cabin in the San Juan National Forest.
Well, we live in Dolores, Colorado.
It's about an hour-and-a-half ride on the horses to the cabin. And
sometimes it's hard that the road is closed and we need to take the horses and it's snowing or raining or what. But it's really rewarding once we get here and it's just us. There's no neighbors, there's no artificial sounds or anything. It's just real. Yeah, we actually have quite a few power outages here, especially in the winter when trees break under the heavy snow, then the power lines get damaged. This cabin here is a total safe spot to go no matter what happens.
Because we were off-grid and, power was an essential part of having a cabin for us, we found a solution using the Delta Pro. We have all of our outlets and lights connected to the Delta Pro. Our refrigerator and a freezer are also connected.
So we also have a Delta Pro at our main home in Dolores.
If we do have a power outage, we have some peace of mind that we can continuously heat our home.
We both enjoy farming, ranching.
We decided to do our own thing, move out of the city and kind of live off the land. This is where we decided to be. We have an airplane that has a heat block and it's important that it's heated before we would start the engine. Taking runway 3 with a northbound departure. So we're coming from McPhee, there's the cabin.
I can see it.
See it?
Yeah. This was perfect.
Come down a little bit and we'll go around so you can get some pictures if you want.
Yeah.
I don't think you can get enough of just peace and harmony with nature. For me, it definitely get a lot of comfort by having the cabin here and being self-sufficient. It gives us some peace of mind. If the rest of the world goes crazy, we can always come here and have a safe sanctuary.
Power of home to me, it's natural. You can travel around everywhere and there will always be some longing for something else. But once you actually settle inside yourself, you can be happy anywhere, I think.